I want you to re-explain to me why I could eat pork.
You can eat pork if you eat pussy and suck dicks. You might as well eat 10 motherfucking pigs. Because the Bible speaks of consuming human flesh as much as it speaks of eating pork.
I'm just.
So if you suck a dick and swallow the ejaculation, you might as well eat you 10 motherfucking pigs. If you eat pussy and swallow the fluid from the pussy, you might as well eat you 10 motherfucking pigs. Because the sperm was made to fertilize the egg, and ain't now one of them coming from the goddamn mouth.
Oh, Jesus.
It's coming from your personal body parts. The sperm fertilizes the egg, which is in your ovaries. Ain't no eggs in your fucking mouth. It's nothing there but sin, lust, and goddamn pleasure. And it all falls under the same umbrella.
But
sin and consumption.
But eating pork will give you high blood pressure.
Eating pussy will fuck you up on the inside in a long run. Eating dick will fuck you up in a long run from the inside. That's why we got AIDS and all this other bullshit around here.
But okay, so the term eating vagina, it's you're more so licking. You're not really eating it.
Well, then you're consuming the shit that comes from the licking. You're consuming the body fluids. You're a nasty motherfucker.
No.
You're nastier than you is if you eat a fucking pig.
Okay.
So, Grammy, they make you know exactly why eating the meat and eating pork is the same God thing. Okay? She explained it so eloquently and so fluently. And if you eat, she basically say if you eat pork, or if you eat the meat, you might as well eat pork. Comment in the comment section and tell me if you agree with her. Do you think that she's right about her theory? Because I know a lot of scientists have come up with their theories talking about how sperm reduce breast cancer and sperm good for your face and all sort of manner of evil. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this grandma explaining to us why, if we're going to be eating the meat, we should go ahead and eat pork. Tell me if you agree or disagree in the comment section below, and I hope I gave you a good laugh for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.